Great content. It meets your audience needs and supports your business goals. It's a win-win. It engages your audience. It might inspire, entertain, educate, and inform them. It keeps them coming back for more. But bad content, it slowly drives your customers away, whether it's outdated web pages, information that's shallow or irrelevant, or content that no one can find. In this video, we're going to talk about major content mistakes and the 7 mistakes to avoid with your content. In this video, we'll look at why your content fails and 7 content mistakes you definitely want to avoid. Welcome to Marketing Sprints with Michelle. My name is Michelle, and I coach entrepreneurs, small business, and aspiring marketers to master marketing one sprint at a time. The first problem with content is often we think of content as a commodity. We want more, faster, cheaper, and we treat it as disposable. But great content takes time, creativity, skill, and strategy. Shortcuts can save time, but they suffer in quality and customer experience because it's your content through which your customers experience your brand. Hey, why not publish more content with AI? This is another challenge. AI sounds like it can save you a lot of time, and it can, but it can also be a trap because you don't necessarily want more content, you want quality content, the right content to deliver information value to your audiences. Content that's aesthetic, creative, authentic, and distinct with your own brand or business personality. The fact is that too much content actually makes it hard for your audience to derive value from your content. It's like you're shouting at them. Another common myth about content is, hey, let's just have our customers create content for us. User-generated content is a myth, and it's not easy. It still requires strategy, scale, incentives, and organization. User-generated content still needs a strategy, refinement, incentives, and organization. Otherwise, user-generated content becomes disingenuous and vain, and it also has a strong negative bias. Another problem with content is, yes, content is expensive, but even poor quality content can cost quite a lot. The thing is that content isn't just filler. It's connection, it's communication. And yes, it's an investment worth making. If you cut corners with your content, you'll lose quality, consistency, and brand authenticity. Even more importantly, if you cut corners with content, you lose trust. Have you ever heard the issue of, we don't have time to plan, we just need to get it out, we just need to launch? This is another common problem with content. Yet content really does require strategy, planning. It takes time and attention. Without a plan, your content becomes inconsistent, incoherent. It's not directed to a specific audience or their informational needs. And this action without alignment can cost you more time, expense, and again, a poor customer experience. The net is that you need a content strategy. You need a content plan to make your content work. Another problem with content is dangerous assumptions. Assumptions can derail your content. For example, if you have unclear goals, poor communication, and misaligned expectations. Because if no one asks the right questions, your content won't deliver the right answers. Another and final problem with content is that content is political. The truth is there's many different stakeholders that you need to manage and govern, whether it's product marketing, corporate communications, legal, product management, chief executives. Each of these different stakeholders, they come with different expectations, different motivations. So having the alignment across these stakeholders is really, really important. You don't want to waste time having to make multiple edits to please different stakeholders with their different expectations. You really need a content governance structure to manage this. With good alignment, your consistency will be evident and with a clear content governance strategy, your content can truly deliver the value you're seeking. At some point, all of these problems become overwhelming. The key is to start to recognize these issues so that you can address them effectively. For sure, you want to start thinking about content as a system and think about how each piece of content moves through the content lifecycle, from plan, create, structure, distribute, and maintain. Improving your content starts with content strategy, content governance, and alignment. When your teams align, your content will become consistent. It will truly serve not only the needs of your audience, but the needs of your business and your business goals. Even more importantly, when your team aligns and your content governance and strategy comes into play, your customer experience will improve. Because content isn't accidental, it's intentional, it's strategic, and yes, it's even expensive, but it's worth the investment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'd be interested in hearing your comments if you're experiencing any of these content challenges and how you may be overcoming them. And I'd really want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, because this video is just the first in a series of many where we're going to be delving into content marketing and content strategy. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on the channel, and peace to you.